Today is July 2nd, 2024. I think my sister-in-law tried to change the car because the color. She don't like the color. She might probably change to silver.
White pearl. Ay, hindi. White diamond.
Oh yeah, yeah. White diamond.
Pearl.
White diamond. Wow, we'll see. Wow.
It's open.
It's open. Yeah. You practice drive if you want. Oh, you drive that already. So how many mileage is this now?
I don't know. They're brand
Is it
new.
this one here?
That's 27 miles per hour.
That's 8 per gallon.
I'll call Big, tawagin mo nga si Boyet.
But that one with the white is
Yeah.
very, very nice.
Mhm.
Give me 1 second.
Ne. Saan ba ito?
Tinitingnan ko lang dahil sabi ko ito rin. SE din ito pero parang gray.
Parang gray. Mamili ka kung anong kulay. Magkano naman yan? How much that?
Makulay?
Hindi kasi pwedeng, hindi daw mapapalitan.
Yeah. Ito lang gusto niya, no?
Ano ko na lang, palitan na.
Ano ba dito? Pearl what?
White pearl. Yun, white diamond.
Ikaw naman ikaw naman ang ano ko. Ang nasa video mamayang gabi.
Ito, ang white diamond. Yun, white pearl.
Paras na presyo?
Magdadagdag siya ng 1,000.
Oo, mas mataas.
Mas maganda. Yeah, mataas.
Baka mas marami feature to.
Yeah. Siyempre, mayroong...
Ito gusto kong tingnan ang presyo.
Salamin eh.
Gray ito.
37.
May added feature niya.
Oh, yeah. Magkano yan?
Yeah, 37, 370.
Ito naman.
Wala man. Wala magdaan.
Hindi, walang... Ano yan?
So, which one? This one?
Decide.
Okay, you want to buy this
Yeah.
one?
Mm.
Sure?
Sure.
Because I already cleaned that one.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
going to clean
Well.
it. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. Yes, ito eh.
Yeah, yun na nga. Ito
Yeah, that's
yung-
the SE.
No, he's going to get mad at me.
Oh, drive if you want. Just,
never
you want to... Never mind, so...
What? Oh, no, we're going to wash it.
Yeah,
But
we're gonna
that one, I washed it
Yeah,
ahead
you
of
washed
time.
Oh, but it's okay. We have the whole afternoon. No problem.
No,
Wow.
I'm not worried.
Okay.
13 miles.
That's 37. How's the mileage now? How much?
13.
13. Wow, that's brand new.
Okay.
Katulad kahapon. Yeah, that's it.
Let's go.
Wow, look at that. It's gonna be clean.
What do you mean? Is this a camera? Yes. Oh, that's a camera. Yes.
That's a camera pala.
Yun siguro
Yeah,
kung
that's a
mag-change
camera.
lane
It has
ka.
camera all over.
Wow.
360? Yes.
Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah, nice.
Safety.
Man, I'll bring my Mits ano dito. No, kukunin yung Subaru ko ni. Yeah, yeah. That's camera. At the back too, yan no.
Ito, apat ang sensor niya.
Saan?
Yeah, kuya, ito sensor to eh.
Oo.
Ito. Sensor yan. Tapos ito pa yung backup camera.
Swertehan niya, no? SE. Ano ba yung SE? Kaya mainit.
Hindi ko alam yung kanya-kanya
Iba yun.
kasi.
Saan ba tayo?
Katulad sa Honda.
Aha.
EXL, mga ganun naman.
Aha, yeah.
Marami siya. Dami yung sensor ah.
Oh, Joy, masa YouTube to mamaya. Joy and Glow. Yan, Joy and Glow. Doon tayo pupunta.
Din yun, lilinisin pa.
Lilinisin na naman, yan. Pero mag-add siya ng 1,000. 1,000 difference, no?
Bakit?
Iba yung standard dun eh. Kasi para
Papalibutan pala ng sensor.
ang ganda ng sana ito pero itim nga yung wheel eh. Oh yeah.
Escalate ko kanya lang black edition. Parang medyo...
Parang pampulis, no? No, hindi nag-rush yun eh. Dahil ano yun eh. Parang nikilado. Hindi nag-rush yun. Init, no?